Hey there, Yonatan Aguilar here. Today I want to give a huge shout out to Jordan Mederick and Dropfunnels. Just a couple of months ago I was actually having issues with my website and it came to the point where I just kind of gave up. Not even the hosting company, huge hosting company where I had my website could help me out. They couldn't give me any answers, and the answers that they were giving me just did not work at all with the issues that I was having with it. So I decided to restart all over and decided to use Dropfunnels to create my website. In Dropfunnels I actually found that they have all the training, all the system, all the tools, and step-by-step videos that guide you through how to create your own website. Not to mention, now my website is super fast, it loads really fast, it has all the things that I would possibly want and need inside a website, and that's just the beginning of it. You can actually create funnels with Dropfunnels. You can host your own domains. The hosting for your website is there. You can create membership sites. You can do a lot of things with Dropfunnels regardless of what type of business you're actually trying to promote online. So if you're watching this right now and you're actually kind of on the fence trying to figure out if Dropfunnels is for you, my friends, don't even think anymore. This is a system that you really do need in your marketing life. It'll save you a lot of money and get rid of everything else that you don't need, because Dropfunnels comes with everything included. With that said, don't think anymore. Start with Dropfunnels today. You will not be disappointed.